Earth. Our home. A haven for life. The abundance nature has provided us has allowed us to thrive as a species, and our growth and expansion has continued to accelerate. Pollution and destruction of the natural environment have dire consequences for all life on this planet. More and more species fall to extinction. The Earth's biodiversity is disappearing. We all know small ways we can help: choosing more eco-friendly products, creating less waste, being conscious of our energy and water usage. But these steps don't have a radical enough impact for us to see tangible results, nor do they address the inevitable increase in carbon emissions in the developing world. We still feel powerless to turn things around. But what if there was a way we could harness the power of nature to tackle this situation? What if we could simultaneously restore the environment, create jobs, feed humans and livestock, reduce water usage in food production, increase biodiversity, and bring the atmosphere back into balance all at the same time? Over decades of research, we have developed a powerful solution based on regenerative agriculture. The solution has been designed to halt and reverse the adverse effects of climate change over the coming decades, peaking in 2050, playing a major role in offsetting global carbon emissions into the future. The crux of this solution is called soil carbon. Soil carbon involves the storage of carbon in the roots of plants and the surrounding soil, using sunlight and moisture to photosynthetically draw down carbon emissions from the atmosphere. Soil carbon offers the largest carbon reservoir in the world, capable of capturing and storing more than twice the volume of carbon dioxide emissions in the atmosphere. Our solution is a permanent land remediation process, using drought and salinity-tolerant native plant species which are uniquely suited to dry environments. This means we can implement our solution without compromising the fertile land needed to support the global food chain. We are working with a unique strain of saltbush which can thrive for decades in extremely dry environments, capturing carbon and drawing salt out of the land, making it more fertile and suitable for other plant life. Our solution renews the ecosystem, revives wildlife habitats, overcomes soil erosion, and improves farmland productivity. After the soil achieves a certain level of carbon capture, regular harvesting or grazing of the crops encourages root growth, facilitating further soil carbon capture. The crops can provide organic, allergen-free food for both humans and livestock that is high in protein and antioxidants, despite requiring only a small fraction of the water needed by other common food crops. Livestock also produce significantly less methane when consuming these plants. We are working with rural and indigenous Australian communities, such as the Jilkaiba Skidesco Aboriginal community of Bookaby, on the border of the Nullarbor Plains, where our drought and salinity-tolerant crops are used to revive the land. Implementation of our program can provide permanent new jobs and downstream economic, environmental, and social benefits, all while solving the global environmental crisis. Australia has millions of square kilometres of drought-impacted drylands and plains, which are ready and waiting for this kind of solution. Our vision is to implement this solution on a large scale, to lead the world in reversing the global impact of atmospheric pollution and replenish our natural resources at the same time. Together, we can increase biodiversity, improve the climate, and offer the potential for sustainability and abundance to future generations. Let's correct our course and get back in harmony with our planet. Let's green the Earth.